Hi, today we're going to look into a travel chatbot that I have created using Dialogflow Essentials. These are the intents that I have created, but let's start with the entities first. I've created four entities, starting with the type. This is for the type of booking used. So there is plane, and there are synonyms for the plane over here. And there's taxi, synonyms, and then hotel. So in this travel chatbot, you can book these three types of tickets. And then I have made individual ones for flight. I have made economy, first, and business class. And then I've also created in flight meals, which is again there's vegan, vegetarian, and non-veg. And I've created the type of cab or taxi you can book. So there is SUV, there is pink taxi, there's a mini, and there's bike as well. So these are the four entities that I have created. Let's look at the intents and how the entities are used inside the intents. So let's start with this one. So after the greeting, the user can ask for tickets or book tickets, or I want to book a ticket, and I will say it will give one of these two responses. And here I have created a follow up intent no. If the user says no, then it will be the end of the conversation. As you can see over here, it will say a great pleasure to meet you, or it will say goodbye, and it will be the end of the conversation. And looking at the flight details, so if the user asks for flight details or asks for any of these responses, any of these user expressions, these are the responses that I have created. But I've also created certain parameters for it that are required, and there is one that is not necessary. And are these are essential in order to book a flight ticket. So I've put it in a required category. And again, these are the responses. Looking at the hotel details, we have these certain user expressions, and again I have used some required parameters and some unrequired ones. This is not required. And then these are the responses. Looking at taxi details or cab, again these are the user expressions. These are the following required parameters, and this is the corresponding responses. And looking at information is pretty simple, where the user can ask for airport regulations, and I have put a few airport rules and regulations. And so you can see for flight details, hotel details, and taxi details, I've added follow up intents. So over here, in flight details, you see the response. It ends with a question. That is, the chatbot will ask for, can I help you with something else? To which the user can say yes or no. And if it says no, it will come to the end of the conversation. Right? It's gonna come to the end of the conversation. But if the user says yes, then it will ask further questions, like if the user wants to book a cab or a hotel or another flight. And the same is for hotel and taxi, where the user can say no and it will be the end of the conversation. So these are the entities and intents that I have used. Similarly, I've also added some small talk about agent where the user can have small talk with the chatbot. It can ask questions like who are you, how old are you, and the chatbot will have a certain answer to it that I have written. So let's take a look at this chatbot. Here is our chatbot. Let's say hi. It will give you the default welcome intent. So it asks me for can I help you? So I'm gonna say book tickets. And okay, I'm gonna say yes. So let's say flight tickets. Okay, so I'm gonna have to give the place that I'm gonna take the flight from. So I'm gonna say Dubai. Okay, maybe I wanna travel to London. And the date of flight would be 7 June. And the time, okay, maybe I want it 4 a.m. Okay, I want four tickets. And economy. Okay, so now it's gonna give me all the flight details that I have just given to the chatbot. And then it's gonna ask me if it can help me with something else. Okay, I'm gonna say yes. I wanna book a hotel. So check-in time. Let's just say 5 p.m. Check-in date. I'll say 8 June. Check out date. So this is the date that I'm gonna leave the hotel. So let's just say the next day. And checkout time would be like 10 p.m. And I want four people will be staying in. So again, it says this. And then it could go on. Again, it would ask me if I want to book a cab or a hotel or a flight. So I'm gonna say no thanks. And that's the end. Goodbye. Or yeah, I can ask it small talk like what was the small talk? Let's look at the small talk. I could ask. Okay, I could ask who is your boss. And it's gonna say my creator, which is the response that I wrote for it. So again, this is the chatbot that I have created for the user to be able to book few tickets. Thank you.